Alright, welcome back and Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning at 10:30 a.m. Alright, so what you guys really couldn't see last night, you can definitely see it now. The snow drifts are crazy. All of this snow over here was actually over here, so we had to kind of push it out so we can get to the backyard for the dogs. Obviously we had to make a path for them to go out back. Look at the drift, look at the high as the fence is over there. Look at all this. Alright, let's go in the backyard and check it out. Look at this drift. Crazy. That drift's gotta be, the highest peak's probably gotta be at least 4 feet. Down there is probably like 3. What's up, Coop? Snow drift right up to the top of the fence. Look at the back. And our fence is 7'3". And this is 48 hours now. Look at this. Crazy. A little pathway down here on the side of my garage. Alright, let's go out front now and check it out. Alright, so it stopped snowing last night at probably about midnight, 1 o'clock, somewhere around there. Look at this. Just crazy. Again, I had to shovel out here so we can open the gate. And I shoveled back here. And then I just shoveled a little bit here. But then this is the little snow drift we got here. And look at the size of this one. That's a huge drift. Oh, this snow was all over here on the porch, in the front porch area. Look at the truck even. Look at the drift on the truck. Look at that. Crazy. There's Tony. Drift off the house. I shoveled all this last night. Oh yeah, look at this. There's the front of the truck. Check out the neighborhood. There's my 3-foot pot I was telling you about. And then I got another one right here on the other side of the driveway. You can just see the hump of it right there. So yeah, I would say we got about between 3 and 4 feet roughly. I mean, these roads are just packed solid. Hey, look at this. This is up to my, probably just past my waist. And this is up to my, I would say up to my shoulders almost. Alright, the blizzard of 2022. There's my buddy Dean over there. They're calling this storm the storm of the generation. It only happens once in a generation, they're saying. But yeah, look at that drift. Look at that. Crazy drifts. Look, it goes right through the fence all the way to the backyard. Craziness. Alright guys, thanks for watching the blizzard. See you in the next one. What's up? Welcome back to the blizzard of 2022. You can actually see out my door now. Getting rid of this little pile that was sitting here. We actually woke up this morning and there's probably about another 3 inches snow on the ground. We just cleaned it all up real quick. I busted out the backpack blower and blew it all off because it was nice and light and fluffy. Look at these snow drifts. Crazy. Alright. My battery just died. Look at these snowbanks. They're huge. What's up, babe?
Hey, baby.
Hey, you can actually see the truck now. Look at the size of these snowbanks. This is almost, there you go. It's actually the same height. Oh, look at that. It's actually a little bit taller than you. Holy shit.
And I'm about 5'1", just for approximation.
Yeah, 5'1" she is. So our snowbanks at the tallest point is over 5'1". Wow. And they still haven't came and plowed our roads.
This is the end of our driveway.
Yeah, look at the end of our driveway. That's nasty. And that's all solid. I mean, the last little layer that's on there is puffy, but underneath is solid. I don't know if you can see down at the end of our road. Let's go for a little walk and check her out. We're probably up like 2 feet in the air. Oh, here's our other neighbors. All right, I'll come back down when I get to the end of the road. All right, so here we are at the end of my road. And one of my neighbors said they came out this morning and the plow truck was actually stuck right here. Look at this pile. Holy shit. Look at this. I'm guessing this is where his tires were. Look at all the salt laying here.
Wow.
So they're putting salt down on the tires so he can get out. Look at that. Can't even get down my street. Plow it. But all the other roads are plowed. Kinda. Not fully plowed, but at least he can get down them, I guess. What a blizzard.
Wow.
I could just imagine the snowbanks down there and the drifts down there at the water.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Closed off the roads down there.
Craziness. Yeah, so I don't know what they're gonna bring now to try to get through this. This is a mess.
Let me walk in and you can see how high it is by me walking on it.
It is crazy. Jeez, don't fall in there. Crazy. These boulders are huge. Alright, signing out from the blizzard in southern Ontario.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So check it out, after 4 days of non-stop snow, we have a plow coming up our street. Yay! You can hear how hard it's working. We were very lucky. We only lost cable and internet. A lot of people we know lost power. So if that's all we had to deal with, not so bad.
Right, we're back and we are finally dug out. Just want to show you guys the size of these mountains. And when I say mountains, I mean snowbanks that are gigantic. Look at the size of these boulders in here. So this is right out front of our house. Look at the size of these snowbanks. Huge. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys the cleanup mess. Yeah, just huge. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.